Hey, this is my friend Fed and Barbie. I meet them here in what is the name of this area?
Coyoacan.
Huh?
Coyoacan.
It's Coyoacan. It's very beautiful here. So they showing me around, and right now we're gonna get some Starbucks. So let's go. Let's go. Come with me. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy HB Gone Global. Thanks for checking in with me again. If you're watching this video, comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. This is my first time coming to Mexico City. I didn't know what to expect. I planted all these nice excursions and stuff. My homegirl's supposed to meet me out from Colombia. Guess what happened? Man, she ended up coming into the country and they ended up turning her back. The Mexican immigration told her she couldn't come in. And the reason is that she might sneak into the US. So I ended up going dolo because that's how I do it anyway. So when I ended up finishing this tour, I ended up meeting up with my neighbors, which were Mexican citizens out of Monterrey. They was pretty cool because all of them spoke English. So we ended up going out downtown somewhere. I can't remember exactly. Went to a club slash bar or whatever it was. And that joint was dead as hell. Right here, we made a pit stop at this museum to make a transfer to continue on with the tour. Basically, we ended up meeting up with another group of people that ended up catching another bus from another location of the city.
Xochimilco, which is the lake which still alive in Mexico. Okay, friends, and also we're going to visit Coyoacan. Coyoacan, where is located the house of Frida Kahlo, beautiful Mexican neighborhood. Okay, one of the oldest neighborhoods in town Mexico City. Three beautiful places, and friends, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Okay, but by the way, we're going to stop in a place. Okay.
Closer, not to sleep. Get closer. Here, breathe. Good morning. And welcome. My name is Rafael, and please, first give me 3 minutes of your time to show you something on my work, ¿ok? ¿Ustedes también hablan inglés o les hablo en español? En inglés. Okay. I am designer, an engraver. I make many dies in steel. The steel is very hard, but I make these designs with these tools totally by hand. Get closer, by hand. Sir, please come. Look, the workshop is across the street. We make many pieces in silver and gold. The brown table is the last Aztec and donative that some got. Take, this is one souvenir for you. And for you. For you, my ¿Qué pasa con
We got to set you up.
For you, Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is one of the seven wonders of the world. For you. Para ustedes, para esta pareja.
For you, for a modest price of $9.99.
Tú eres esta hermosa luna y eres el sol.
In the middle of this archaeological site, we can see the Spanish conquest represented with the Catholic Church of Santiago and the current Mexico City represented with these residential buildings called Tlatelolco. Okay? Many archaeological sites everywhere in Mexico City, friends. Okay?
Mexico City University.
It's located in a huge Mexican neighborhood known as Pedregal. Pedregal, which is a Mexican and Spanish word, is linking with the stones. With the stones. Why? Because we can see around this building there's many places filled with this black stone. Which is a volcanic stone. Why?
Shawty right here got that. So finally we got to Xochimilco, and I tried to make small talk with these two chicks right here. Come to find out they're from the UK. The black chick had a little attitude, similar to like black chicks in the Matrix. I didn't want to believe it, but I've heard cats on podcasts say they're having the same issues with chicks over there in the UK. And the other chick, she was Egyptian or something. I can't remember exactly what she said she was, but hey, she had a very pleasant disposition about her though. Saw all the little vendors and stuff. Too many. Now we're about to get on the boat tour. Out on the river to experience the lake. It's all these boats. Nobody on these boats.
The wine is open 24 hours. No, that's lovely.
I'm ready to eat. Cause I haven't had any real food since I've been here. Big guy. Get down in there.
I know. Like, oh, this one.
Trajineras and chinampas. What is a chinampa? Chinampa is this kind of artificial garden, okay, which is not floating, no floating, no. This is an artificial garden, okay, with this avocado tree, strong roots. The strong roots get to the underground, okay, friends. And the chinampa is the local name of this boat, okay, where local people use the chinampas
Tomato juice and
in order to travel
when you have it.
along, yeah? And Mexican mariachi music. We can listen here Mexican mariachi music. My
So right now we're in the city of Coyoacan, headed on a tour. Man, I'm a straight shame of myself. Man, I stayed butchering that word. The name of this area is called Coyoacan.
the place of Coyoacan, according to Salvador Novo, who was Salvador Novo. Salvador Novo was a man who lived in Mexico in the colonial times, in the middle of the 1700s. And according to Salvador Novo, he was a man who also wrote the history of Coyoacan. He described this nice neighborhood.
Boy, I got that hawk vision on y'all ass. ¿Qué es eso?
Es para ir al teatro. El tema.
A party? Fiesta?
Teatro.
No? Teatro? What is
Obra de
teatro?
teatro.
What is that? Tell me, dime. It's for YouTube. Dime.
Teatro.
Teatro?
Una obra.
I'm not even gonna lie. I could have took myself on this tour. The whole entire time we were just walking around. And then for a minute, you're not gonna see this, but he ended up cutting us loose. So I ended up finding this one spot that had some ice cream. It was pretty good. And I was just basically, you know what I'm saying, checking out the sights and the scenes.
Él requiere.
It's one of the oldest Catholic churches.
Got somebody getting married. Hey, this is my friend Fed and Barbie. I meet them here in, what is the name of this area? Huh? It's Coyoacan. It's very beautiful here. So they're showing me around, and right now we're gonna get some Starbucks. So let's go. Let's go. Come with me. The people, they drive crazy here.
Yeah.
They don't want to wait. No espera.
Te atropellan.